welcome to Helen's Corner. I want to show you guys somewhere I've not shown you guys on this channel before. Since you guys have been watching me, I've not taken you to regional market. So hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Is your girl Helen Konko. This vlog is for some of us that were posting back then years back on the comment section that I heard Ebonyi State has only one market. Today I'm going to take you to another market so that you will see another market that is in Ebonyi State and is close to this international market. As you can see, it's just 6-minute drive to the regional market. So hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Is your girl Helen Konko. Okay, so this is our international market flyover in 2024 as we drive through this expressway. This is Enugu Abakaliki expressway. Okay, as we drive through it in 2024, I really hope you enjoy the vlog.
Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Say biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy. Baby, you want me?
So on this highway, this is opposite. Will you call it opposites? But our left hand side is the Ebonyi General Park. Okay, so this highway, the name of this road is Enugu Abakaliki Expressway. That's the name of this highway. Okay, this highway is a trans-African highway. It leads to some African countries. Okay, so if you take this route straight, you are going to get to one of our lost land, which is the Bakassi Peninsula. From there, you can now get to Cameroon and even other African countries there. That's why it's called the Trans-African Highway. Okay, so don't forget to like this video as you are watching it. So once we get to this place, we are going to take our right hand side, okay, and then get to the Ahiagba. So that is where we are heading to. Just keep watching, don't pause it. As you watch this vlog, please do me a favor by clicking the like button. Okay, drop your opinion at the comment section, share this video if you can, and if you're a new subscriber, welcome. Okay, and to my returning subscribers, God bless you. You guys are the MVPs. You know. Jesus Christ. Just finish washing your car, then you just come and land inside. Inside this type of world. It's not funny at all. So welcome to our regional market. Okay, it is called Ahiagba now, or Ahia Foodstuff. If you want to translate it in English, it means the markets that they sell foodstuffs in bags. Okay, but if you want to say Ahiagba directly translating it to English, you're going to say market bag. So translate your own there, the comment section. Okay, so we've arrived at the market. Let me list the food stuff you can get in bags in this market. You can get things like egusi, corn, millet, sorghum, beans, all types of beans, whether brown beans, white beans, aloke, which is the one that comes from Niger. You have potiskum, different types of beans, honey beans. Okay, you get it in this market. one more thing you're going to get in this market is bambara nuts. You're going to get it is at this market that I made that egusi business, where I milled egusi for you people. You can also mill egusi in this market. So majorly, most businessmen, okay, in Ebonyi State that want to do storage business or that want to buy egusi in bulk that are selling it in the market, this market is for them. So I came here to prepare our next video, which is going to be the storage business in Ebonyi State. I love about this market is that everywhere is decked. Because everywhere is decked, the risk of fire, if one should start, okay, is going to be very minimal. That's one thing I liked about buildings that are all decked. So I give it to this side, even though the buildings are old. Another thing is that if you know this market, you know that hey, you're going to be getting a lot of subsidy in whatever you're buying here. Even the grind itself is cheap because they grind in bulk here in this market, like milling machines.
You're the one I want to hold before my liver starts to fail. You're the one I need, oh, before cassava starts to hate. If I ever leave, oh, look what that kind of me to go far away, far away. Say I am looking for.
So as we are driving outside this market, I'm going to describe the location of this place for you so that you can see that it's not difficult to locate. For those of you that want to visit this market to buy your goods in bulk, this is where you can get food stuff in bulk, that is in bags. Okay, so opposite that place, the building you saw before that was directly opposite this road is the Ebonyi State Shopping Mall, which is located exactly at the flyover, this Perando flyover. Okay, opposite, which is this big building you're seeing here, beautiful building, okay, is another market. It's called the old building site, okay, but then is a park now, as if this Perando park have moved inside the market. Okay, so if you drop inside the park, you can take a bike or tricycle to wherever you want to go to around Ebonyi State. Just know that this market is not far from here. In our next video, we are going to be discussing the storage business I went to discuss with the madam that does it. Okay, so see you guys in our next video. Bye bye, love you. Thank you for watching Feli's Corner.